Good evening. In this live of mine, I would like to address it to the Health Minister Vishwajit Rane, Ports Minister Michael Lobo, and our Chief Minister Pramod Sawant. Dr. Pramod Sawant, I want to question you something. You are a doctor right now, आणि दोतोर जावन तूं इसली why are you doing such blunders? When it comes to our seafarers, when you are quarantining them for 14 days. Yes, these seafarers are quarantined because they have been tested every single day, twice a day they have been tested for temperature, and screening has been done. Plus, most of them are COVID tested negative. Yet, at the same time, you are having a special agenda against our Goan seafarers and you are not allowing them to come. You are charging us quarantine. Tell me why are you charging them quarantine? Quarantineचे तुम्ही पैसे चार्ज करता, इतले पैसे चार्ज करता तुम्ही कित्याक करपाक जाय? Because of this quarantine issue, the companies are not sending our seafarers back. Can you not understand? The families are going through a lot. Being the Chief Minister, you represent us Goans, and you are embarrassing us. I have given you a set of questions, Pramod Sawant. See, doctor, as a doctor, you have to understand that you are playing with lives. ही कसली पिशेपणां करून बसलाय तुम्ही? आमचे सीफेरर्सांक तुमकां हाडपाक जाय हाडपाक नाका खबर ना. You cannot, you all are saying right now what you all have told, that you all cannot handle the people coming in the state. And seafarers हाडपाक ते प्रॉब्लम जाता म्हणून तुम्ही स्टेटमेंट घायलो आसा. You all have replied also about quarantine problems. If the quarantine problems are there, why are you not getting these people back, and why are you getting the flights open? Do you not have the rights to shut the flights? Flights are not being opened, flights are not being given to people to come from Mumbai to Goa. Bombay to Goa येवपाक तुमकां flight नाका, पूण flight open करपाक जाय. Who is coming in these flights? I would like to know. Second thing, you are giving an option to these people who are coming to choose whether they want to do quarantine. You are giving them choose whether they want to do test. Yeah, is that fair? Is it not against the Constitution of India? The Constitution of India, Article 14 reads right to equality. अरे बाबा चीफ मिनिस्टर, तूं मातशें आयक आनी समजून घे. You are just doing it as you want. You are doing it. तुका जाय तशें करून तूं लॉ कोता, तूं जाय तशें करून लॉ ब्रेक कोता. And this is a request to all the advocates who are from Goa. Can you all not see that he is breaking these rules? He is doing everything against the Constitution of India. When it comes to Disaster Management Act, it looks like there is a own Disaster Management Act. Because when I read the Disaster Management Act and the question that I posted to the Chief Minister along with the Deputy Chief Ministers, the Minister of Ports and the Health Minister, none of them will respond because none of them have the answers. None of you all have answers. I am asking you all questions and I am ready to give answers. I am ready to give you all solutions. You all don't have the time. But you all have the time to get these people back. See, I honestly have no problem in getting people back if they are Goans. Let the Goans come. But is it fair that the way you are handling it, is it fair? Is it fair that there were 63 passengers that came to Goa? 63 of them. How many of them have been tested for COVID-19? According to the statement given by your health secretary, I think it's the health secretary only 15 of them opted for the first flight, which had 30, and then out of the 33 passengers, 11 of them opted for COVID test. So if they can opt for a COVID test, not to do the COVID test, who gave you the right and the permission to charge money from the seafarers and give them compulsory COVID quarantine? I don't understand your logic. According to your logic, the flights which come from Mumbai, which is a red zone, the flights which come from Delhi, which is a red zone, flights which come from the home of the Prime Minister of India, Mr. Narendra Modi, Gujarat, it's a green, it's not a green zone. It's a red zone. These flights are coming. The flights are coming, and you all are giving them the option to choose whether they want to test themselves or not to test themselves. Kesli pesha bana rahe hain baba. So why you are not giving the option to the seafarers whether they want to test themselves or not to test themselves? These people who are coming from the flights, they have never been tested for COVID. They have never been quarantined. And here the seafarers who have been quarantined for the last 3 months, they have been quarantined, and you are doing total discrimination against the seafarers. Total discrimination against the NRIs. Total discrimination against the OCIs. You are here to do only discrimination. I challenge any of your ministers, any of your concerned authorities who was chief secretary and all, to come have a conversation. Come, let's go live. I will add you all. Bring you all to the camera. Yeah, here I will bring you all and I'll ask you all questions. Do you have the answers? Can you all answer the questions which I have? I have a lot of questions for you all. Not one question you all will be able to answer, because when it comes to answering question, you cannot be open and publicly tell, yes, we are, this is the thing. See, I want to believe that you want to do something for the state of Goa. So why not? Why are you not understanding? Don't do this nonsense that you all are doing. Certificate given, COVID certificate given, Goyan yopacha mota. And who are they telling? There are all sorts of certificates gets duplicated. This is India. There are ministers, MLAs who have given duplicate certificates and all that. It always comes in the newspaper. I don't know who, but it comes. And COVID-19 na negative korpa duplicate korpa ugot lagtala re. You all will check the authenticity of that certificate. Tell me, answer me now. Can you all check whether it is a proper certificate or not? Are Mumbai so kitne duplicates adre baba? Anything can be duplicated in a matter of minutes in places like Mumbai. Letter कोणू पुरान दितलो COVID-19 म्हणून हिची लॅब दितली ₹500 घेतले letter दितली. Then what? How are these people left without even being quarantined? How are they even left without being tested? Why our seafarers are being charged money? 50,000 you have charged. I want to know what is the percentage of this money. Where is the money going? If our seafarers want to come, it is quarantine, paid quarantine. If NRIs want to come, paid quarantine. Now, if the flights which are coming, if they are positive, then what? How the hell are you leaving these people out without quarantine? And let me tell you one more thing. Dr. Pramod Sawant, listen to me carefully. The quarantine and the testing is not for the people who are coming. The quarantine is not, the testing, COVID testing is not for the people who are coming to Goa. The COVID-19 test is done to protect the people who are in Goa. We are in Goa. We are citizens of India. We are residents of Goa. It is your duty to keep us safe from all this. It is your duty to make sure we are not going to get COVID positive. But what do? You put, I want to question the health minister, Vishwajit Rane. Please tell me, you are the health minister. You are the one of the first person to say not to allow Shigmo and all these things, and we have to lock down. Respect you for that. But how are you allowing COVID? How are you allowing these people to go to home quarantine and not test them? You test them and then send to a home quarantine. Second question, I believe there is a health scheme there is a health scheme in Goa and in entire India where the Din Dayal scheme. Why are you not testing on that, using that scheme? Is it not covering? You are charging charging almost 2,000. So 2,000 you are charging them to keep us safe. So if they are not going to pay 2,000, you are saying go to hell with our lives. Bare asare baba. You don't care about our lives. I don't understand. Please try and understand. All of you people who are watching, all you who are watching this, please stay safe. We cannot do anything when we have been run, the government is being run by such people. Ask these people why they are doing it. Today we are in a green zone. Tomorrow yesterday we were in a green zone. Today we are in an orange zone. Tomorrow we are going to be in a red zone because people are not being tested. Our testing capacity is what? 300 testing capacity. We are getting in more than, say, about 4,000 people, maybe 5,000. I thought yesterday it was just 4 flights, but here I realized that the flow flights are just from Mumbai, and there are more flights also. So what is it now? I just don't get it. I really don't understand why the health minister is playing with our lives. This is not right. This is not right. So people, all of y'all who are watching this live right now, please understand how they are playing with our lives. Goa is I think the only state which is letting these things happen. I believe Tamil Nadu have said that they don't want flights from COVID red zones or something like that. I'm not very sure. But what are we doing? We cannot get anything done by fighting. We have fought for the seafarers. We are fighting for COVID-19 tests to be done. We lack the infrastructure. The capacity of the hospital in Margao is just 200. That's 170 plus 30. So nothing can be done. These people are just playing with our lives. CM sir and health minister, all of you all, I am telling you all, this is the last time we are telling you all. Anything happens to us, it's on you all. We cannot do anything. I am trying my best to do everything for whoever I can. We are communicating with people. We are doing everything that is necessary because we love our state. It looks like you all don't love our state. So at least take a decision before we force you all to take the decision. Legally. Not by dadagiri. Legally. If you don't, ask your advocates who are there whether you all are doing it right. If you all are not doing it right, change it. Get things done in order, because this is not done. We are not here to listen to you all and listen to everything that you all are going to say. Get our seafarers back, and they are not going to pay anything now. That's it. Too much. Which companies you all are taking money from? तुम कंपनी को पयशे घेवन तुका करपा जाय प्रमोद पयशे. See, please understand, you are the chief minister, you are the head of the disaster management committee over here. Understand, act like the leader. Come out and say, people will respect you. Still now, nothing is lost. Nothing is lost. You don't have the time to answer 5 minutes. I'm calling you like 4-5 times to help you. I have nothing against you. This is my constitutional right under Article 19(1)(a), freedom of speech and expression, which also is lost. No longer people are having the freedom of speech anymore. I don't know where India is going. Today even we have the problem of the migrants. Is it their fault? Come on guys, they are humans. I feel sorry for them. These migrants have been used in a very bad way by these ministers and MLAs. When you all want the vote, you all want the vote. 80,000, 90,000 stranded were brought for maybe voting. Maybe. Some of them are sent on, they were having cards, Aadhaar cards and all. They should have never been let to go. What they should have been told, if they are going, cut your Aadhaar cards and all. Where are the Congress leaders? What are they doing? My last request for the Chief Minister, stop this COVID politics that you all are playing. We are not here for politics. Shut down. If the flights want to come, let them come. I'm not saying don't get them flights. Do get the COVID testing. Get them quarantine stamped. You all are not stamping. I don't know about it. But get them tested, each and every one. Do you all not have the funds? Then why is the Prime Minister of India saying this many funds are released and all? Where are the funds going? Do you all want an RTI on the CM relief fund? Do you all want an RTI on it? Right now, the RTI will not be there, but there will be definitely an RTI on it. Stop playing with the goans. Enough. Play later on. Let coronavirus go. Then you all play as much as you all want. No problem. I will never come live and say don't play, don't do what you all are doing, because that I cannot stop you all. But right now, I'm telling you all, stop it. You change your statements every day, everywhere you have done a total PhD in U-turns. Take another U-turn. We will respect you. Take a U-turn. Let the seafarers come. Specially, this is a special request to get the boys from boys stuck in the Philippines, Venecia, Costa Venecia. Those guys really need the help right now. Get them back. How many times we have to tell you? The boys who are stuck in Southampton also. After informing you all are still not taking action on that. Get these guys back, yeah. They are our Goans. We have so much to do in Goa. They have so much of their lives ahead of them. Don't you think if we are common people are trying to do so much for the people, don't you think you should be doing something? Now I waited for one full almost 12 hours for you to answer a paper. You cannot answer 12-15 questions of mine. You expect the students, you are risking their lives to answer exams, and okay fine, they are exams. But even after answering the exam, you think the schools are going to start? If the schools are start, you are going to make it into a red zone and start the students? If 1 year is lost, no problem, yeah. Their lives are more important than 1 year. Average human life is of almost 60 years. Not a problem if they had to lose 1 year, but you are risking their lives. You answer my test, those 12 questions, if you can. No, if you can't answer, don't answer. I will still put another 12 questions or maybe 16 questions. That also you will not answer, don't answer. But tomorrow when Goa goes bad, people will question you. You will be responsible. You will be responsible for taking the beautiful state of Goa down. So either which way you stop or you don't stop. We cannot tell you. But we will not let this happen. We will absolutely not let this happen. We will not let you do this, because we are all in trouble. We all Goans are in trouble. We have to help our Goan people right now. All of us are in trouble, man. We cannot, we don't know why Pramod, why are you doing it? Sir, please listen to us Goans. We all of us are in trouble right now. All of us have a lot of trouble. We have a lot of trouble with things, and we are trying to do something ourselves. We are helping people. Not that we are free and we don't have our own set of problems. Right now we have to forget about the set of problems that all of us are having and focus on one thing. And this is another request for the seafarers. All of you all, please get united, yeah. United and ask why we are not being brought back. Some of the seafarers I'm in touch with also telling me they have a lot of problems. Get them. I've been following up with the DG Shipping also regarding even the boys from USA. Most of them who are stuck, they're going bad, yeah. Get them back. Get the Brazil guys back. I think Brazil guys all are getting back, right? There are more flights. We have still not even got around 1% of them back. Out of 11,000 people who are stranded on the ship, who are Goans, 11,000 of them. Get them back. There are enough hotels to keep them. Under the tourism Director of Tourism, Department of Tourism, there are 43,148 rooms registered. Why can't you requisite these rooms and use it for seafarers? Don't ask us money. Don't ask any of the seafarers money, but we are ready to contribute in whatever way we can to the COVID relief fund, provided there will be the COVID relief fund will be transparent. We will contribute. All of us will contribute. Seafarers will contribute. But if you are demanding and the services that you are providing, no ways, not a rupee. On top of that, will question where is the money gone. So as the Chief Minister, I am still giving your time, and I'm still saying this is not about anything about related to business and all of this. Stop these things. Start with getting our seafarers back. Start with getting the stranded NRIs back. OCIs, I hope you realize, Dr. Pramod Sawant, the Honorable Chief Minister of Goa, the OCIs also have to be brought back. It's an order given, Supreme Court order aha. OCIs, Portuguese passport Goans, they are also to be brought back, who are having their family over here and permanent house. Because under OCI, they are allowed to come back under certain conditions. Some of them are being brought back, some of them will be brought back, but they will all come back, and the entire of Goa are fed up of your drama. That day, as a doctor, you have insulted the mask by wiping your face, but I never commented on that. I am not that person. I am not here to comment, and I am not here to criticize. I am here for the work to be done. You do the work, I am happy. The guys from Dubai are coming back on the 1st of June. 157 of them. What about the quarantine? Please do answer. Answer me what is going to be of the quarantine. They don't have any funds over there. I'm personally monitoring that situation over there in Dubai. Those guys need the support. 7 days quarantine, they don't have money. But here, we will arrange for a quarantine. You get it approved. We don't want the money. We will arrange for a place to quarantine. Or why are you not stamping them and sending them quarantine, home quarantine? The same way you are sending the domestic. Domestic people are coming from a place where there is much more cases than Dubai. Dubai is having a better situation when it comes to COVID-19 than what Mumbai and Delhi are going through, and India is going through in general. Today, I think we had a spike of almost 6,700 cases. Total cases have gone above 1,20,000, and yet here we are opening. This is not done. It's high time we react. High time we act in a sensible manner. Stop this, and that's it. This is the last time we are telling you all. If you cannot, say it. You cannot. Take the help. Personally, I'll help you in each and everything. I understand how it is to be done. I understand everything. I understand much better than your current OSD and who are there. I understand administration much better than your current OSDs, who have been also doing all other dealings and all the way you all have been insulting people who are calling. You all have been insulting us. You are not ready to understand. You are not ready to answer calls. Guys, all of you who are watching, thanks for watching. Don't worry about it. We will get you all back, and that is a promise by a Goan. All the Goans, including all of you who want to be back, you all will be brought back, and I will fight for this. And the CM can keep ignoring as much as I want, as he wants. Some of his MLAs are calling me a barking dog. One of his MLA is calling me a dog that keeps on barking. So let me bark. Anyways, you all have jumped ships. You all have got elected from the Congress, and you all have gone into the BJP, and you all are commenting saying I'm bucking. At least I'm bucking and I'm doing something for my people. At least I'm bucking and I'm trying to get things done for my Goans. You all are bucking. You all are not bucking. You all cannot bark also. No. Who's going to listen to you all when you all jump ship from Congress to BJP? Anyways, that I will address later. This is just a warning for the MLA who's been saying I'm barking, and why am I bothered about getting the seafarers back? Who are you, man? Who is this MLA? I don't understand. I know his name. I'm not going to take his name. But who is he to tell me what I have to do and what I don't have to do? I will do what I want, and I will do what is best for my people. I will do what is best for Goa. I will do what is best for India. Thanks.